If you invested in BlockDAG like I have, today we're going to go over all of their achievements so far, as well as some really exciting news and bonuses that they have just released in their Keynote 3. So none of this is financial advice, but today let's dive in to the world of BlockDAG. So here we are on the BlockDAG website, and if we just do a recap of what BlockDAG is, you can see that BlockDAG represents a transformative leap in blockchain technology, basically allowing people to access mining from their phone or scaling that up all the way to mining rigs. This is actually going to allow a blockchain to run a lot more efficiently and effectively with people running it in a massive decentralized network. And the reason why is, they already have 1 million users using their mobile app alone, which is going to allow for a ridiculous amount of decentralization and distribution of this token. Now let's go over some of the achievements here. We can see they've raised over 215 million in this pre-sale without VC help. They did launch a Keynote 2 in Times Square, which was a bold public reveal showcasing the progress and vision of BlockDAG as a whole. They released their team, as you can see here, a fantastic team that is essentially super experienced from all over the crypto and traditional finance space. They've also released their primordial testnet, which is essentially a blockchain that's in a testing phase, so they can basically check everything works on every level and then release it as a mainnet to the public. This just stops people losing money and allows people to use and build on the testnet before the mainnet goes live. As well as that, they have fantastic UI. They actually had over 400,000 users on their tap mining game. They've shipped over 10,000 in mining devices. So if you don't know what that is, let me just show you right here, right now. They have a bunch of different miners here that basically you can buy and just have them running in the corner of a room, mining BlockDAG for you. They also sponsor football teams such as Inter Milan, and they just released the Golden Ticket campaign, which is a relaunch of the campaign to attract new users to actually buy into BlockDAG. Now, this campaign will actually reward 600% bonus for early buyers. But they're also doing an Easter promo right now, so if you do want to get involved, just type in Easter promo and you will get bonus coins on any new purchases. So in their Keynote 3, guys, which they did just release at the end of last month, they talked about a bunch of stuff, including all of the things they've done so far. We did cover a lot of that in this video, but some additions to that will be the fact they're actually planning on doing more AMAs, they're planning on doing more bonus codes, and their blockchain tech is essentially rivaling some of the best out there in the market and in fact improving upon it. So we could see BlockDAG actually up there with Ethereum and Solana as one of the most used and best blockchains when it comes to infrastructure, security, speed, and the price of which you're doing transactions. Now, building dApps on this and actually getting people to develop on it is going to be a lot easier this way because it's just going to be cheaper and more effective on every metric. They also announced that they're going to be doing more miners, so improving on their current mining technology and allowing people to generate more BlockDAG via their mining systems. I'd highly recommend going to their website and actually watching this keynote. It's only 43 minutes long, so definitely check it out and it will cover everything they've done so far. And the quality of this is actually fantastic across the board. They have multiple speakers and it just feels a lot more like a documentary on what we're going to see from BlockDAG in the future, which I think is incredibly hype and very bullish for this project. Now, if you missed the Easter special, which again, only 3 hours left on this, so by the time you watch this video, it's probably done. If you missed it, then you should definitely be looking to type in BDAG 1200 when you do purchase any more, because you're going to get a 600% bonus in BDAG on anything that you purchase. Now, in 2025 and beyond here, guys, they're actually launching their mainnet. They're going to be listing on 10 of the top major exchanges out there, and they're going to be scaling from 2,000 transactions per second all the way up to 15,000 transactions per second. And that's by far one of the fastest blockchains out there. They're also going to be releasing a full DeFi suite, including swaps, lending, staking, and governance. When we're talking about 2026, they're going to be releasing over 1,000 apps across finance, gaming, healthcare, and more. They'll be integrating AI, self-sovereign identity features, and next-gen governance all inside the BlockDAG blockchain. As well as that, we do also have the Certic audit coming soon, guys. As you can see here, is currently in progress, but they passed all the other audits with flying colors, and that's something that is super bullish for any project. When it comes to developers here, guys, they're going to be doing a $100,000 prize pool hackathon for anyone that wants to show off their apps that they're building on the testnet. They're also going to be doing grants for dApp builders and infrastructure projects, education in smart contracts, staking, and full stack blockchain development. And as you guys know, their community is already massive and growing ridiculously fast. So if you're not in on their Telegrams and their social networks, definitely go ahead and get joining with that, because there is a fantastic community surrounding this project. So that is going to be it for this video. Definitely check out BlockDAG in the description. And if you are sweating and you have bought this token with me, then yeah, fantastic stuff. It's all looking really good across the board. If you do want to buy more, then again, that code here, guys, is going to be BDAG1200. If you type that in when you buy, you're going to get 600% extra tokens. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.